Hi everyone, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. Can you believe it's December already, which means it's the most wonderful time of the year. I hope you've made your list and checked it twice, and while I may not be Santa Claus, I'm probably the next best thing, one of his elves. And I'm here to make some techie gift suggestions from gadgets that I personally use so that you can get them for your loved ones and maybe for yourself too. As a content creator, my backgrounds are everything, and we pour a lot of time and effort into ensuring that we give each video a great backdrop. And if you're looking to set a different mood for your setup or maybe even your living room, I recommend Govee's Glide Wall Light. Each package includes 6 pieces of light tubes and 1 corner piece that you can connect and assemble depending on how you want it to look like. I decided to put it up here by my window since I film a lot of A-roll here. It's got Govee's patented RGB-IC technology, which means it can display up to 57 colors at a time. So I can do different color combinations depending on what I'm filming. I can set them to match the colors of the new HomePod Mini or the wallpaper on the new MacBook Pro. Or after work when I make myself a cocktail and lounge on my couch, I also switch it up to something more moody or something bright and festive. Perfect for the holidays. On the app, there are preset animations to choose from. I've been loving this one called Sunset since it's been gloomy in New York lately, and we haven't been getting a lot of nice sunsets. Another product I want to talk about is Govee's Immersion Kit for TV, which is perfect for anyone with a TV, really. The kit comes with RGB-IC strip lights that you stick behind your TV, as well as these light bars that you put on either side of it. But what sets it apart from other strip lights that you may have seen is that it comes with a 1080p camera that you install either on top or the bottom of the TV. The camera picks up and matches the colors of what's playing on your TV, making the viewing experience a lot more dynamic and immersive, whether you're watching your favorite series or movie. It can also sync with the audio coming from the TV or your phone, so it beats to the rhythm of the music, just like how stage lights do when you're watching a concert live. If you'd like to gift the same immersive TV experience to someone you love, the Govee Glide Wall Light is on sale at $74.99, and the Immersion Kit $129.99. And for an additional discount, check the code in the description box below. As I get older, I've been making an effort to take really good care of my skin, and while I would love to point you to a super secret fountain of youth, unfortunately, that doesn't exist. But if you know someone whose skin needs a little more TLC, I highly recommend Foreo's Luna 3 Men. There are 3 essential steps to a good skincare routine: cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen. For the first step, I've been using the new Foreo Luna 3 Men. While washing your face with your hands does the job, T-Sonic pulsation technology on the Luna 3 Men does it better by helping you remove dirt and impurities. This high-tech skincare gadget has silicone bristles that really get in there and cleanse your skin, ridding it of pollutants and sweat that can build up, especially after a workout. These bristles are bacteria resistant too, so you don't introduce anything nasty to your skin. While I don't grow that much of a beard, I found that using my Luna 3 Men before shaving preps the skin for a smoother shave. And I've noticed that my skin does feel smoother and refreshed after. Beauty gurus recommend a whole bunch of products that you can put on your face, but none of them will do their job unless you have a clean face to start with. So cleansing with a Luna 3 Men is a very important first step. And if you're into serums like me, you can use the other side of the Luna 3 Men to give you a firming facial massage. Its back has concentric ridges, so after applying serum to your face, gently glide it in an upward motion across your cheeks, forehead, and chin. Do this before moisturizing. If you want to give the gift of skincare, Foreo's Luna 3 Men is designed for all skin types and retails for $169. I recently did videos on the One More Color Buds 2. In the last video, I talked about all the reasons you should get it as a gift. You can check out that video by clicking up here, but in this video, I want to talk about another pair of earbuds from One More, the One More Comfo Buds Pro. Powered by One More's Quiet Max active noise cancellation technology, these earphones come with 5 adjustable listening modes, which you can switch between just by swiping. If you don't want active noise cancellation, there's ANC off, pass-through, wind noise resistance, which is perfect for the season because the wind has been pretty strong lately, mild ANC, and strong ANC, which can block out up to 40 decibels of noise. Its 13.4mm titanium composite dynamic driver and AAC delivers superb sound quality. It allows you to hear the finest details from extended bass to clear mids and silky highs. The Comfo Buds Pro are also tuned by Grammy winner Luca Bignardi to give you the best sound possible at this price point. But on top of their noise cancellation features and sound quality, I think the reason why you should consider these earbuds is because, as their name suggests, they're enhanced comfort. Rolling Stones even named them the most comfortable earbuds of 2021. The buds are narrower and you get 4 silicone tips so you or whomever you're giving them to can find the best fit and seal for their ears. Oh, and these silicone tips are so soft and cushy, they stay comfortable even when listening for extended periods of time. I promise they'll thank you again once they put these earbuds on. Speaking of extended periods of time, the Comfo Buds Pro last up to 28 hours of music playback with the charging case. They charge fast too. 15 minutes in the case can get you up to 2 hours more of listening time. The Comfo Buds Pro come in 3 colors: titanium black, mica white, and aurora blue. If you want to give the gift of music, the One More Comfo Buds Pro are also on sale for $75.99. I'll make sure to put a link down below. If you follow me on social media, you probably know that this year I've been really trying to live a healthier lifestyle by staying fit. And if you know someone who's like me, then this next device is highly recommended. It's the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro. It has more than 150 built-in workouts, including strength training and HIIT. If they're into running, there's a feature called Virtual Pacer 2 that will allow them to set a pace to maintain during runs. The GTR 3 Pro has a BioTracker 3.0 sensor that can measure 4 things all at the same time: blood oxygen saturation, stress levels, breathing rate, and heart rate. It can also track your sleep, which I personally love, as I believe good sleep is something we shouldn't be taking for granted. On top of all these fitness tracking features, my favorite thing about the GTR 3 Pro is its looks. No matter who you plan on giving this to, you're also giving them a bit of a modern and classic timepiece at the same time. It will look good whether they're working out or dressing up. So if you want to give the gift of style and health tracking, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro retails for $229. Speaking of working out, one of the devices that I've really loved this year is the new Tempo Move. There are many high-tech exercise equipment on the market right now, but there's nothing quite like it. On the outside, it looks like a piece of furniture, a side table, or maybe a nightstand. But tucked inside, dumbbells and weights. You connect it to your iPhone and TV, make a few taps to set up, and start exercising. The sensors on your iPhone and the Tempo Move become your own personal trainer. On the left-hand side of the screen, it'll show you whether your form is correct or not. It'll even count your reps for you, so much so that if you're breezing through it, it will recommend that you increase your weights. So if you want to give the gift of fitness plus a personal digital trainer, consider the Tempo Move. Currently, it's $100 off so that you can get it as low as $395. And that was part 1 of the Gadget Match 2021 Holiday Gift Guide. Don't forget, all the links to all of these products are down below. We also have a second video, part 2, coming real soon, so to make sure you don't miss that, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Happy holidays, everyone, and thanks for dropping by.